Look at this delicious salmon with just a few ingredients. You're able to come up with dinner at home. I'll need to slice some English cucumber into very thin slices and set those aside. Some tomato. I'll also cut my salmon into thin slices. Look at this heavenly color. I actually never used to eat salmon until I made it this way. I'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and balsamic vinegar. I'm also going to add in a dash of sugar just to get a proper balance of all those ingredients. Yeah, that's awesome. And now onto my salmon. I'm gonna use my brush and brush this over. You wanna get all the marinade onto all sides of the salmon. In a medium-high heated pan, I will add in 1 spoon of oil. I will give my salmon some time to cook on one side before I flip it on the other side. All the leftover marinade goes into the fish. These guys need 5 minutes of rest. Meanwhile, so I'll need a few leaves of lettuce. Nicely arranged. And some cucumber. Some tomatoes. Why do dinner takeouts while you can easily fix this at home? So delicious. Believe me. Bon appetit.